You've probably seen that viral AI video where giant rocks are dropped on a luxury car, and somehow it gets millions of views. The craziest part is, these videos don't just go viral, they make serious money for the creators. Here's a good news for you. You can create these viral videos too. Just watching this video to the end is enough. But before we jump in, smash that like button and hit subscribe. It really encourages me to keep making content like this for you. Alright, let's not waste time. Let me show you exactly how to create these viral car crash videos using free tools. Firstly, you need to screenshot the image. Upload the image into ChatGPT and ask it to help you with a detailed prompt to create a similar image. Now copy the prompt, open Leonardo AI and click on the image generation button. Click on settings and change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Paste the prompt and hit generate. Now the generation is complete. Feel free to download the best one. Open ChatGPT and ask it to give you a detailed video generation prompt to use in Kling AI. You can input any other image to video AI you are using. Copy it and open Kling AI, make sure it's at video generation option, then upload your image and paste the video generation prompt. You can choose between 5 or 10 seconds, but for this one, let's use 10 seconds. Click on generate. No doubts, it looks exactly like the one trending on YouTube, but we need to add sound effects to make it more engaging. Open CapCut and import the video, drag it until the watermark completely disappear, then open ChatGPT and type, "Give me a detailed prompt to create sound effect for the scene." Copy it and open 11 Labs. Click on the 3 lines and then the sound effects option. Paste the prompt and hit generate. As you can see, it provides us with 4 different sound effects. Listen to them and select the best one. Now open CapCut and import the sound effect. Export your video in 4K resolution for higher quality. But before you go, I have something special for you. You see, this video is exactly the one any other creator is making. Why not take it to the next level with your own touch? Take a look at this video. Instead of dropping massive stone on a car, we make some changes to it, and believe me, this will enable you stand out from other creators. Open ChatGPT and ask it to give you a detailed prompt to create image of a helicopter dropping a luxury car into a grinder. Copy it and open Leonardo.ai to create the image. Then follow step by step as mentioned earlier. Now you've created your own niche, and I can't wait to see you succeed in your video creation journey. If you enjoy this video, make sure to smash the like button as it encourages me to bring more amazing contents for you. See you in the next video.